Hello and welcome to a fantastic video about Congress. Today we're going to be looking at the powers and limits of Congress. So things Congress can do and things that they cannot do. Okay, so on your notes, you're going to be filling in the boxes on things that they can and cannot do. Okay, all right, let's get started. So first of all, some powers, things that Congress can do. And this list is going to be a lot longer than the things they can't do. So Congress can, of course, create laws. They create laws for the United States. And that's their constitutional responsibility, their big thing. They also expand the territory of the United States. So this means anytime that we want to add a new state or territory, they are going to be the body that deals with that. They can also make laws concerning foreign policy and national defense. Okay, so we already know they can make laws, but with this specific power, they're able to focus in on foreign policy and national defense. Okay, they can regulate interstate commerce and foreign commerce. And we've talked about this specific clause. This is called the Commerce Clause. Okay, whenever you think of commerce, I want you to think of money, okay, kind of like Commerce Bank. Think of money. So interstate commerce, we know, is commerce that goes between the states, okay? And then foreign commerce, obviously, is going to be money that transfers between the United States and other countries, okay? Congress can also create laws concerning taxing and spending. That's typically referred to as the power of the purse, okay? So think about what goes into a purse, money. They have the power of the purse, okay? They can confirm appointments and ratify treaties. And in your notes, I want you to specifically say here on confirm appointments and ratify treaties that that is something that the Senate does, okay? It is not the House of Representatives. It's only the Senate, okay? They can also propose amendments, and we talked about that in our Constitution unit, that amendments are proposed with a 2/3 vote in each house. Please make sure you know that specific detail as well. And they can also impeach and remove elected officials. So we know that an impeachment does not mean that a person is removed from office, okay? We've had 3 presidents be impeached. None of them have been removed from office. So please make sure that you put that in your notes as well. Now, moving on to things that Congress cannot do. Like I said, the list is much shorter, so you're going to need to flip to the next slide in your notes. So, Congress cannot pass ex post facto laws. And we've talked about this before. An ex post facto law is a law that makes an act a crime after it was committed. Okay. So, if I do something on September 10th, which is my birthday, and it's not illegal, and the next day Congress decides that they're going to make that thing that I did illegal, can they punish me for the thing that I did when it was legal? No, they can't. Okay. Passing bills of attainder. And bills of attainder basically punish people without giving them a trial. So it's like giving them a sentence for a crime that they may or may not have committed. We don't know because they haven't gotten the benefit of a trial. Okay. And the last thing, this is another Latin phrase. Congress cannot suspend the writ of habeas corpus. So habeas corpus, I think we've talked about that in class. It's a Latin phrase that means to have body. Corpus kind of sounds like corpse. So suspending the writ of habeas corpus would basically mean that if you are charged with a crime, then we don't have to give you your day in court. We can just take you, throw you in jail, and leave you there forever. Okay? So suspending the writ of habeas corpus would be a direct violation of like the Sixth Amendment, which says we've got to have a speedy and public trial. Okay, so I'm going to stop there for today. If you guys have any questions, please let me know.